Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to be more faster once you about the safe browsing. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to Google Chrome application that you have been to be installed before. Can click a Chrome application here. Click on, and after that you can click three dots in the upper of the corner, and next you can click settings. Scroll away until you find the privacy and security and click safe browsing. You can see that I use the standard protection. The standard protections again websites, downloads, and extensions that are known to be dangerous. And how to be more faster ones about you can click the enhanced protection. It's mean faster, proactive, and protection against dangerous website, downloads, and extension. Okay, click on the enhanced protection here and go back to the home. Okay, this is a tutorial how to be more faster ones about the safe browsing. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.